Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 10. What is failure fifth or truncated fifth in a downtrend? The answer is when wave 5 fails to reach the low of wave 3.
Quote number 6. Bruce Kovner said, "Novice traders trade 5 to 10 times too big. They are taking 5 to 10% risk. On a trade, they should be taking 1 to 2% risk on." This is considered as a rule. When you first start trading, never risk more than 1 or 2% of your trading account on a trade. For example, if you have $3,000 in your account, never trade more than $30. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.